After we made yesterday a new all-time high on Bitcoin, we grabbed all the liquidity down to $117,000. And this is exactly what we're talking about yesterday's scenarios about. If we are breaking here this supported area to the downside, now Bitcoin is recovering a little bit more to the upside, trading at $119,000. Ethereum is here doing way better than Bitcoin. We are open also a new Ethereum position, even also a new Bitcoin position. But we have also talked about the next crucial level for Bitcoin, which is kinda here around the corner. So definitely stick around and let's directly start it here. So first of all, we have to talk about Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is here after our all-time high crashing crazy to the downside. And this is exactly what we're talking about yesterday also in our Telegram channel. So if you are not subscribed to the Telegram channel, just go in the video description. There you find a link directly to our Telegram channel. There I warned you yesterday, as soon we are breaking here this supported area to the downside, expect a liquidity grab all the way down to $117,000. This is exactly what we have seen yesterday over the day. We see here the liquidity killed all the way to the downside. We only have some liquidity left around $114,000. To be honest, I don't think we will grab the liquidity right now yet, because when we're going here on the chart on the 24-hour liquidation heat map, then we can see we're building a lot of liquidity up here around $120,000. And even on the 4-hourly chart on Bitcoin, on our overall structure, nothing has really changed. We only saw here this liquidation grab, but our overall structure here is here fully intact. Even if we are going a little bit back here, we can see that we are still here in our upper move. So as long we are not breaking here around $115,000 down below there's nothing more to worry. If we are breaking here this level to the downside here around $115,000, expect here a move definitely here to $110,000, but in my eyes, I'm not seeing this right now. Even also here, we're finding now proper support in our range here, in exactly the range we are trading here since over a month already here in. Like in the sideways move, building a new all-time high, going sideways, saw the liquidity grab, saw new all-time high, going sideways, seeing the all-time high, grab the liquidity. So exactly this is what we are trading here right now. As long as we are in this range here, we are still fine, like in the no man's land. And as soon we are breaking here this trading range to the upside, expect a massive fast move. Yeah, same like here to the upside. So exactly this is what we have seen here a couple times before. So expect here, as soon we are getting the retest, a next trade scenario also for Bitcoin. So this is also the next trade scenario you can take in here. If you are not in a trade position right now, wait for a break of $120,000. Trade this all the way up to the all-time high. At least one of the time the wicks definitely get filled. Even also on one daily chart, we can see it very clearly that on the last all-time high we saw a massive wick here. In one time the wick get filled, and this is exactly what we saw yesterday. We filled this wick exactly to the dollar, a little bit more higher, building a new wick here to the upside at $125,000. So be prepared that we are definitely also will fill this wick here to the upside. So new trade scenario would be here definitely about $125,000, and then you can trade this trade all the way up to $130,000, because this is one of our main target zone here for Bitcoin in the next couple of months or couple of weeks, depends how fast the breakout will be happen. Even if you're following already our Telegram channel or be already part of our copy trading group, you should be already here in a trade position. This is exactly what we are here also right now. We are in an Ethereum position all in. We will talk about later for Ethereum, but let's go here for Bitcoin. We are 6% here in profit on Bitcoin. Even my limit order down below didn't get catch sadly, but I'm in some limit orders already. Here you can see this was our trade entry. Our target was here $125,000. We almost reached it, but you can also see here I nearly put my profits, or I took some profits here exactly at the top. I also shared this in our Telegram channel that I will take here profits about, because I expect here the liquidity grab to the downside. So congratulations on all who took also this exit and secured your profits here from this liquidation to the downside. If you are not part of copy trading, just go in the video description there, find a link directly to Bitfinex. Also, if you don't know where you can trade, just check out Bitfinex. It's a great platform. I trade here all the time on Bitfinex. You see how easy the overview is working. So it's a nice platform. I really like to trade also here. And you can even also claim your deposit bonus. So definitely check out the link in the video description. Yeah, trade target would be here the all-time high. I expect here $123,000. We're kind of here in the profit. Assume we're getting a smaller rejection, or yeah, around to $117,000. Hopefully my limit order will be cashed in, but it's not looking like that we are seeing here like a next move to the downside. Even in my opinion, a little bit more sideways move into $120,000 and $120,000. We will see what will happen. Even if we saw a rejection here of $120,000, we should move, or we can expect a move back to the downside of $114,000. For this move, you can perfectly prepare yourself. If you're already in the trade, put your stop loss to break even or took some profits here around this corner and wait for a retest for breaking here at $120,000, because as I told you here before, as soon we are getting here above $120,000, expect a massive move here again back to the upside, because you also have to keep in mind there are sitting a lot of liquidity here to the upside. So as soon we are hitting the liquidity, expect here a more move back to the upside. When we're talking also about Ethereum, we will see Ethereum is here performing a little bit more stronger than Bitcoin. For sure, we also saw here a liquidation candle to the upside, but we are expecting also to hold here this supported area at $4,500 and are trading here at $4,650 right now. As soon we're getting a retest of our supported area here right now, you can also get in a new long position for Ethereum. So even also wait this, because I expect here definitely in the next couple of days breaking the all-time high of Ethereum here at $4,880, even also a little bit higher target for Ethereum. Let us check our trade here a little bit quickly. Trade target for Ethereum is here for me $5,000. So definitely expect here also on Ethereum a move here in the direction of $5,000. For altcoins, there are not more to say. So even also on other altcoins, we saw a correction here to the downside. So there are a lot of new possibilities to position yourself in some more altcoins. So even also on the coins you are maybe also missing the last couple of days before you can find any great perfect entries. Also on paper, on Bonk, we open a next new position, but there are also some other coins we are definitely have to keep an eye on. Even also on Solana, we saw a small rejection here to the downside, but finding great support here at $190,000. Target for Solana definitely here above $200. I expect here for Solana a move here around, let's make this here a little bit more clearly, $220 to $230 here for Solana, and getting here directly here into new higher levels. That's basically all from the video today, and definitely be part of our Telegram group, because there you saw it yesterday. I predicted exactly this move here to the downside. So hopefully you took the profits here at your all-time high. Don't get liquidated the way down and position yourself here now into the next trade. And then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and check also the link down below in the video description for our copy trading.